In this video, we're diving into the best settings for CrankWheel screen sharing, and I'll reveal some tips and alternatives that can make your screen sharing experience even better. If you're looking for ways to optimize CrankWheel for seamless communication, stick around because I'll show you exactly how to adjust settings and provide some alternatives that might surprise you. First things first, let's talk about the CrankWheel interface. It's simple, which is great, but some users might feel like it's too minimalistic. It's not the most intuitive for people who want to dive into customization. To make the most out of CrankWheel, the first thing you need to adjust is the display quality. You can change this by clicking on the gear icon. By default, CrankWheel will optimize for performance, but if you're showing high-resolution images or documents, it's a good idea to bump it up to the highest resolution. This ensures your viewers aren't missing out on the details. Next thing, let's move on to privacy settings. CrankWheel does have some solid privacy features, but I recommend turning on the option to block out personal information from your screen share. This is crucial if you're sharing documents that contain sensitive information. By enabling this, you can confidently share your screen without worrying about showing something private. Now, let's talk about customization of the viewing window. While CrankWheel allows you to share your screen with ease, it doesn't offer a lot of flexibility when it comes to adjusting the size of the screen sharing window. If you're sharing multiple apps or documents at once, it's something you might want to keep in mind. For smoother multitasking, I suggest you configure your desktop to arrange your windows in a way that's easy to share without constantly resizing or switching between tabs. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the audio settings. CrankWheel doesn't always excel here, and you might experience delays or distortion if your internet connection isn't stable. So, make sure your internet connection is strong, and if possible, use a wired connection rather than relying on Wi-Fi. For clearer audio, I also suggest using a high-quality external microphone instead of the built-in mic on your device. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While CrankWheel has its strengths, there are some features it lacks that other screen-sharing tools have nailed down. For example, Zoom and Google Meet offer more control over the meeting layout and screen-sharing options, including virtual backgrounds and the ability to share specific windows rather than the whole screen. These platforms also offer more robust features for collaboration like integrated chat and file sharing, making them better suited for larger teams or businesses with more complex needs. That said, if you're looking for a tool that has all the basic functionality of CrankWheel, but with additional features and customization, I've found some alternatives worth checking out. Tools like Alternative Software and Another Alternative Software provide better flexibility when it comes to screen sharing with multiple people, and they have extended free trials available. And here's the best part. Through our exclusive link, you'll get access to the best free trial and benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you want the best experience with CrankWheel or discover which alternative works better for your goals, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to try these tools and explore which one fits your needs best, whether it's CrankWheel or a competitor that's better suited for your specific screen sharing requirements.